So while we wait for everything to dry, these are from the factory. All you gotta do is just grab them. Make sure you know where they're at. They're about right here, a finger's tip. Just wiggle till they come off. This may take about a minute's time. Nobody's rushing you to get them off. So now we could go clean these up and plastic dip. Grab and just rotate till they come off. There's no left and no right. And there we go. Off it comes. Find a way to place them up so they don't fall, and clean. We already got a little rust spot right there. You may think it's rust, just how things are. Again, little rust spots. Make sure you clean on the inside area. Let dry. I'm going to heat up, speed up the drying process, and also the adhesive process, and also gets the dirt off. Do this on a calm day, no wind. If it's windy, you're not going to have fun. Shake the can. Next thing you do is a light coat. No need to tape. Just spray. Pull off and spray. Don't do heavy. Do just enough. Time to put another coat on. You could do a little heavier. I don't worry about the back for the reasons of I'm not going to see it. I worry about the sides and the inside tip. Let that dry. I basically turned it around so I could get the front and get the sides. Nobody's going to see the bottom. I'll come back later. I'm not going to spray again. Show you what the tailpipe looks like as an added bonus to the video, and we'll show you in a different video. You want to keep on going because you see a little bit of chrome here. You're not going to see the back there. We're all painted. We're done. We simply slide back over the way it was and just push on. Feel for the thing. If you need to adjust, grab and rotate. You want to make sure they go on and they stay on by pushing on right here. Fingers tip like we did before. Do the same for the other. Feel for it and just push on. And keep wiggling till it goes on. Do it when the car is cold and stays cold. We're done. And there you go. That's the look of it.